Hello everyone, in this video we'll see one more solution of automation, how to send certificate using Certify'em extension. In the previous video we saw that how to use AutoCAD extension which help us to merge Google Sheet with the Google Slides and send certificates automatically to all the participants. Here we'll be using Certify'em extension, but the only change is here that this will be linking the Google slide, that the certificate, with the Google form. So the moment the participant fills the form, participant will automatically receive the certificate. So now let's see how to use Certify'em. Here also I have created a demo certificate. You all can see I have just kept the field empty here. There are no tags now, which was there in the case of AutoCAD. Go to Drive, create a dedicated folder, upload that file here, the certificate file. Double click on it. Go to File, Save as Google Slides. Here it is. You can rename it if you want to. The pattern is little bit different here. Now you have to go to Insert, select text box, put the text box where you want to place the data. In the case of AutoCAD we use angular brackets. In the case of Certify'em we have to use curly braces. So I'm just creating the tag with the full name. You can center align it, you can increase the font size, even you can change the color of it. Make it bold. According to your need, choose the font type also. So now this Google slide certificate is ready to use. Refresh, you will see two files now. One is Google slide now. Now we have to go to the Google form, the form which we want to send to the participant. Okay, after filling it, participant will automatically receive the certificate. So let me just give it a name, feedback form. Let me enter some question here, like this name, make it required, add city, make it required again add, just one question just for the feedback sake, like how organized was the webinar. Here we'll go with the linear scale option, average or excellent or excellence, make it required. Any suggestions? Make it a paragraph, make it required, done. Go to the settings, you have to make this as a quiz. Now you will see that every questions have got the answer key, that is the point. You have to just remove it if you don't want to have it. Okay, you can go individually to every particular question and remove it if you want to, or otherwise that option is also still available in the settings, where you can remove the default points for every question. So now let it be. Okay, click triple dot here, click on add-ons. So the store will get available here, that is Google Workspace Marketplace. Search for Certify'em. There is one apostrophe in between. Okay, this is the option. Select it, click on install. continue, allow the permission. Done. Go back to the form, close this window. You can see now in add-ons Certify'em is available. Show Certify'em control. So on the right hand side you will able to see the control of Certify'em. So the status, you have to turn it on, wait for a while. By default certification was off, now it is on. If you click on records, so Certify'em actually separately maintains the record in the separate Google Sheet file. The moment you will see the certificate get generated, it will get entered here. Okay, there is no passing criteria in our case. It can be there in your case if you design the Google quiz. You can set the passing percentage there. Now we have to choose the certificate which we have already created. So we'll click on change template. There are many templates are already available of certificates, you all can see, provided by Certify'em. I'll go with the select existing which we have created here. You all can see I'm selecting the certificate. It has got loaded. Now click on link to exam. It is already linked basically. This is the link you can share if you want to. Otherwise what you can do, there is one more option, triple dot, go to like the settings, get pre-filling. In this option you can enter few details to the few questions and send the form. Otherwise you can click on send button and choose a shorten URL, copy, and this you can send to the participants. This is one way, you all know. And in the pre-filled setting basically you can't enter email for somebody, but maybe like name or city or some ratings you can enter by default, so that they don't have to enter it again. Like Mumbai, I'm just entering city. So after entering the default details, you can click on get link and you can the link has been got copied to the clipboard. You can share that link with the participants. So whenever they open the form, all these details will be there pre-filled. Now we'll go to the main form now. Okay, Certify'em has already linked this form with that certificate. So I'll enter. I'm started entering the details in the form. So that is TechCareerCatalog@gmail.com, email ID, name TCC, city Mumbai. As a participant I'm filling this form and I'll click on submit. Now we have to go to the Gmail and inbox. We have to refresh and see whether we have received the certificate or not. Okay, try to reload it thrice. Still I can't see the certificate here. I'll refresh it one more time. Yeah, and you all can see I have received the certificate through Certify'em with the name embedded on the certificate. You all can see. And even you can see that certificate ID has been mentioned properly, so that you can keep a proper track of all the certificates. You can go to the Certify'em record. You can see that record has been entered here with the percent score, pass, whether true or false, like that.
That's all guys from this video. If you really like this video, press like button and do subscribe to our channel. If any queries or suggestions, do comment below. For more such updates, follow us on Instagram and Facebook.